bonjour, hola, see ya, konnichiwa, shikamu, goddag, knock knock, guten tag, and howdy. We're Zendesk, a customer service software company with support and sales products designed to improve customer relationships. And this is another YouTube channel from a global corporation not bent on world domination, allegedly. But we're not like a regular corporate YouTube channel. We're a cool corporate YouTube channel. We've got magic, unicorns, zombies, award-winning short films, trout slippers, and, drumroll Daniel, our most useful videos? Our Zendesk demo videos, where you can learn how we help our customers help their customers. If we're being honest, our coolest stuff is the stuff that actually helps you, like product demos, tutorials, and some pretty impressive testimonials.
If it wasn't for you, I'd be using an archaic 40-year-old internal system that barely worked.
Watching our YouTube channel will make you fitter, happier, and more productive, at least when it comes to customer service. Go ahead and explore, like, comment, and if you really like us, subscribe. No pressure.